And now I just want to explain one more idea about how to find the equivalent fraction. You know that the fraction of a whole is equal to the fraction of a set. Look at this picture. As you can see in this picture here, this shape, you can look at this shape in two ways. You can look at this shape as one whole shape, one whole rectangle. And inside this shape, we have 6 parts. Also, you can look at this shape in another way, that you are seeing 6 small rectangles. So in the first case, when you see one whole shape and it's divided into 6 parts, here you are writing the fraction of a whole. Let's start. Looking at this shape as a set of small rectangles. I have 6 small rectangles, and these rectangles are 2 groups, divided into 2 groups. The first group in green and the other group in white. So to write the fraction of a set, as you see in this picture, you will write 1/2. 1 related to the number of the groups in green, and 2 the total number of the groups. As I show you, we have 2 groups, and we have 1 green group. So I will write it as 1/2. Let's see what's the equivalent fraction to this picture if I see this shape as one whole number. Look at here. As you can see, look at this shape in a way that you are seeing one whole shape. And this shape is divided into 6 parts. As you can see, we have one big rectangle. Inside this rectangle, we have small 6 rectangles. So to write the fraction for this, here we are writing the fraction of a whole. So the total number here is 6. But how many shaded parts you can see? You have 3 shaded parts. So related to what I said before about the fraction, that it has a numerator and denominator. The numerator show me the shaded parts, so I write 3. And the denominator show me the total number of the parts, the green and the white together. So the fraction here will be 3 out of 6. As you see here, you are counting the small rectangles inside. So the fraction is 3 out of 6. So this 3 out of 6 is equivalent to 1/2. So 3 out of 6, here we are writing the fraction of a whole, but 1/2 here shows the fraction of a set. So as you can see, 3 out of 6 is equal to 1/2.